today I have an interesting and fun art project for you to make, just like this.
Wow, what is that?
This is a game board that my mom drew, painted, and designed by herself.
Okay, I'm gonna show it.
Yeah. Here, it's a big game. So this is just apparently like snakes and ladders.
What's the name of the game?
The game name is Beat the Virus.
Oh, okay. So the theme about this game is about the coronavirus?
Yeah.
Can you explain about the game?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
So you start from here, and then this one you just stay in there. You don't do anything.
So you roll the dice, right?
Yeah, here, this will be the dice.
Okay.
So, and if you land on the safe card, you get to pick one of these cards for you to choose.
From the pile?
Yeah, from the pile. Any of them. If you get to the virus, you have to go to the hospital. 14 days quarantine. But you just have to play 3 rounds.
But if you have the safeguard,
Yeah, but if you got the safe card, you don't need to stay in there.
so the safeguard it's like saving you from the virus?
Yes,
Okay, can you show what is the safeguard about?
of course.
So there is 4 safeguard
Yeah.
for you to collect.
This one is because you washed your hands, you're safe from the virus.
Okay, and then?
This one says you're safe because you are wearing a mask.
Can you show it because I cannot see it clearly. Okay.
And this one says you're safe because you consume vitamin C. And this one is the most important one. You're safe because you use a hand sanitizer.
Okay.
Oh God, I forgot the last one. So, if
So that is all of the safeguard, right?
The safeguard.
There is 4 safeguard that you can collect.
Yeah, total is 4. Okay, so if you land on this one, it says social distancing. Move forward 5 steps. That means you have to move your character 5 steps. And this one is social distancing forward 3 steps.
So basically, if you land on the social distancing, you got a bonus. Like you can move forward 3 step or 5 step or something like that.
Yeah.
Because social distancing right now is really important. So you have to do it for this time during the coronavirus, right?
Yeah.
So because you did the good things on social distancing, so you got the bonus. You can move forward, okay?
Yeah. And this one is also social distancing, but it's only 2 steps.
Okay.
And this one, you got eaten by the virus. So
Oh, okay. So means
yeah, this one
this
is the
the
bad
dead
one.
one, right?
Bad, really
Because the
bad.
virus eat you. So if you landed here, means you have to.
Go back to start.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, and I also forget to show you this one. This one says stay at home.
Okay.
And this one you can go on this road and go to the finish line.
Oh, means if you landed here, but you must land it here, then you got you can go directly to the finish line,
Yes.
right?
So this is like a very good one, and this one is the bad one.
Okay.
And-
This is very important too because if you do the stay at home, mean you did the good things, you can
Not get the virus.
yeah, you can support to not get the virus, something like that. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one, you are finished. It says congrats. You're healthy and safe now.
Okay.
So now,
Okay,
yeah.
wait a minute. Before we start it, can you read this one? I mean,
Yes.
we have a lot of the
Virus.
yeah, we have a lot of the virus here.
Yeah.
Like one here. Whoops.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Go to hospital, please.
Go to hospital, please.
How about that one?
This one says, you're sick.
Okay.
This one says, you're sick again. That's not good.
Okay.
You're
Unlucky.
unlucky.
Okay.
This one says, oops, virus everywhere.
Okay.
This one is, I've told you. Be careful. Oh yeah, here. It says, virus everywhere. And this one
Oops.
is,
Virus everywhere. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Actually, basically, this game is about the
coronavirus.
Yes. Okay, now Caitlin will help you to know how to play. We will play for tester, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the only characters available.
Oh, that is the character that you made
Yeah.
it? Oh, that's great.
This one is a dog or some sort. This one is a hat, and this one
Okay,
is
so basically you can do anything, yeah? You can
Yeah.
make the character anything. You can make people, you can make the
Yeah,
things that you like it, okay?
But sorry if it's kind of like hard to see because yeah, I'm not that great at it.
It's okay, that's pretty.
So okay, I'm going to play this and make you understand how to play. So now I'm going to go and start. Mommy, do you want to play?
Okay, let's play.
Okay, first you have to choose a character. Which one do you want? The puppy, the hat, or the car?
Can I use car?
Car?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to put it in the start. The start is kind of small.
Okay.
And maybe I'm going to be the puppy.
Okay, you got the puppy. So the other one you just put it
Yeah.
there, okay. So the youngest go first.
Yeah, that's me. So you have to roll the dice. Oh God!
Oh gosh.
It says I have
This
to
one.
move 2 spaces.
Okay, 2 spaces.
I'm going to move my puppy 2 spaces. 1 and 2.
Okay.
Okay, your
it to me?
turn. Oh, you got 1.
Okay, can you move it for me?
Sure.
Okay.
I got 5.
Okay.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay!
I got the safe card. Yay!
Okay, you can take 1 from the pile. Okay.
I got 1.
What is that?
It says, you're safe because you washed your hands.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So you will keep it, right?
Yeah, I'm going to keep it just in case if I land in the virus. I'm not going to stay in there.
Like me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still there because before that I was land on the
You landed
here.
virus.
I have to wait until 3 times. Okay, now your turn. This is your last time before I'm going out, yeah?
Yeah. So I'm going to go again.
Okay, what is that?
It says 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm in the blank
Okay,
space.
now my turn.
Yeah. Here.
Give it to me.
Here's the dice.
6.
6. You're going to go out.
Yes, then I have to go back here. Okay.
Then I'm going to move you 6 spaces.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yay! I got the
Got the
save
save
card!
card.
Yay! Can you give it one to me?
Yeah, sure. Here.
Okay, I got this. Okay.
Is it the mask?
Yes, this is the mask.
Ooh.
Okay, now your
Mask.
turn.
Okay. Oh God.
This is this one.
I got 6.
Okay.
I'm going to move 6.
1,
2,
3.
4, 5, 6.
Oh no!
It says back to start.
Even the save card cannot save you, right?
Yeah. Okay, whose turn is it now? Was
Now.
it your turn?
Yes, my turn.
Okay, here's the dice. You got 2.
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay, now your turn.
Yeah. You got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that was so close.
Okay, my turn again.
Yeah.
What is that?
It says 5.
5.
You got 5.
1. Can you move it?
2,
3.
4, 5.
Ah!
Get the same card again.
I thought I will land it there.
Here?
Yes, I thought I will land there. I really want it.
Here, you can take one from the pile. There's
Because I consume vitamin C means I'm healthy, right?
Yeah, there's
Okay,
only
now your
one,
turn.
There's only one more save card. I got 4.
4, okay.
Yeah.
So
let's
move your
my
character.
puppy.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. I got stay at home.
Oh my God, you win!
Yeah, I get to go on the road.
You beat the virus, yo!
And I won.
Yes,
Yes.
you're healthy and safe. Okay.
Yes. It's only because of I wash my hands every time.
Good job. Okay then. So that's it, guys.
Yeah, that's it, guys.
Have fun
Have fun with
your family with
your
this board game.
family with this board game.
Don't forget, what's the name of this board game?
It's called Beat the Virus.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Hope you have fun with your family. Well, I had fun today. Bye.